Truck fans, get ready for the biggest event of the summer, the Irving Big Stops All Truck Nationals at Maitland Dragway, Labor Day weekend. 2 big days, plenty of free camping, a weekend full of trucking action with a battle of the monster trucks, big rig and truck drag racing, and at the Top Cap Show and Shine, the towing, 4x4, or tough truck competitions sponsored by Parts for Trucks. There's manufacturers' displays with something for mini trucks to big rigs. See this week's Truck Trader for full details. The All Truck Nationals, Labor Day weekend at Maitland Dragway.